Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another video, and today we're taking a look at the Public Investing app. Okay, so here's what you'll see after you sign up for the app. I have had issues with the sign up process. The photo ID thing didn't work. Now they're saying I need to send them photos of my social security card, which I don't have on hand. So just the typical annoying stuff when you sign up for some of these apps. Hopefully I can get that sorted soon. But overall, I've taken a look at this app and it does seem pretty cool. It's more like a social network with stock investing included. So up here at the top, you'll have a watch list. It kind of auto-generated all of these stocks, which I don't love. I'm probably gonna have to just get rid of a lot of them. And then it seems like you can do posts, maybe some type of polls, talk about the stocks that you're interested in and all of that. This is here on the home screen, so I'm not sure how I would create a post. Maybe I need to be verified before I can start posting, but it is very interesting that like you guys could follow me on this app and we could talk about stocks. Looks like there's comments and likes, everything like that for these posts, so that's pretty cool. Next over, we have the search bar, so you can search for people and stocks in the search bar up the top. Next over, it says I can earn a free stock, so if I invite you guys, we will both get some stock for free. So sign up with the link down in the description. That's pretty cool. It looks like I have an inbox for messaging people. And then there's the account screen. So it's going to show some of my stats there, my watch list, my history. Then in the top right, you can change a bunch of your settings. And it looks like if I go to my profile in the top left corner of that button, I can then tap on followers or following right there at the top. That's going to show who I'm following. Then I can probably unfollow them because I didn't follow any of these people, so I'm not sure why I'm following them. I think it just kind of injects you with a bunch of information when you start up. But yeah, it seems pretty cool. Another one of their best features, I think, is you can come to like a stock that you're interested in. Let's say Tesla. So it's going to have the chart and all of that stuff, but then if you scroll down, it'll show like the community, it'll show news, what Wall Street thinks, it'll show their earnings, market cap, the dividends that they pay. Then there's this activity. I think this activity is really cool. So you can see people that are investing in Tesla. So like this person invested just now. It looks like people can ask questions. It'll show that people sold Tesla, like this person bought it and held it for 14 days and lost 7.65%. This person lost 5%. Looks like you can tip people. So it's got a lot of stuff in here, a lot of cool stuff. Remember, this is just a first look, first impressions video. I'm liking what I'm seeing. It's just going to be a matter of getting in here, testing it out a little bit. You know, maybe we can follow each other and start doing some small investments over here on Public and see how it goes. So yeah, first impression's pretty good. The onboarding process is kind of clunky, so I think they have some stuff to work out there, but maybe it's just because I'm on kind of an old device, so we'll see. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Drop a comment down below, let us know what you think. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard. You might wear